नरसिंह महाराज और उपस्थित समस्त वैष्णव विष्णु के चरण कमलों में मेरा यथायथ धन्यवाद प्रणाम स्वीकार हो। हम लोग श्री चैतन्य चरितामृत ग्रंथ में
have been reading from Chaitanya Charitamrita,
मध्य लीला
Madhya Leela,
18 अध्याय को
18th chapter,
अष्टादश परिच्छेद से
18th chapter.
18 अध्याय से हम लोग हरिकथा श्रवण कर रहे हैं।
We have been listening Harikatha about
जिसमें
that,
स्वामी चैतन्य महाप्रभु
where Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
में आकर के कैसे
he's come to Vrindavan and he's completely absorbed in the
वो
bhav,
समस्त स्थान आदि दर्शन करते थे
and he's having the darshan of all these places, and
अपने स्तुति आदि भी करते थे, स्तव स्तुति।
and he's also
He recited
reciting
all the स्तव स्तुति।
many stava stutis.
तो चैतन्य महाप्रभु काल मैंने कहा था
Yesterday I told
प्रभु प्रविष्ट हो या नाचिते चलीला श्लोक पढ़िया गोवर्धन को देखकर
Mahaprabhu saw Giriraj, Govardhan, and
कृष्ण
Mahaprabhu.
प्रेम में
He
अभिष्ट हो
became absorbed in Krishna Prem.
और नृत्य
and
करते करते
He was dancing and dancing, and
एक
he
श्लोक का उच्चारण
recited one shlok.
किया। श्लोक याद है?
Do you know the shlok?
अंतायोद्रियवला हरिदासुवर्ज जद राम कृष्ण चरण स्पर्श प्रमोद मानं तनुति सह गोपगणयोस्तद्योर्जस् पानीय सुजवस कंदर कंदमूलये। काल इस श्लोक पर हम लोग
Yesterday we heard about the meaning of this shlok.
श्रीमन महाप्रभु गिरिराज को दर्शन करके
Mahaprabhu, after seeing Giriraj,
साक्षात भगवत स्वरूप ज्ञान करके
he saw Giriraj as directly God,
और उनकी
and
स्तुति आदि
he
प्रणाम
praised Giriraj
हैं।
and did pranams, obeisances.
गिरिराज गोवर्धन के दो स्वरूप मनाया जाता है,
So Giriraj has two forms, or two natures, or
भक्त
two,
स्वरूप और एक
like the devotee, Bhakta Swarup, and also like God, Bhagavat Swarup.
इसलिए श्रीमन महाप्रभु
So that's why Srimad Mahaprabhu,
कहते हैं वृंदावन
he
जाइए
says,
नारी रे चिरकाल
he said
गोवर्धन चढ़िया ना देखिए गोपाल। वृंदावन जाओ अधिक
that
समय
if you go to Vrindavana, don't stay in Vrindavana for a long time. Otherwise,
ब्रजवासियों की लौकिक
you'll have by seeing the mundane behavior of the Vrajavasis, maybe you can commit offense to their feet.
और दूसरी
And other thing
गोवर्धन के ऊपर
is
चढ़
that
करके
if you should not go on the top of Giriraj to see the darshan of Gopal, the deity established by Madhavendra Puri Pad, because Giriraj Govardhan is directly Bhagavat Tata, God. So we should not step on Giriraj, we should not touch our feet at Giriraj, the stones, have to be careful. So Mahaprabhu is saying, how is Giriraj?
सर्वश्रेष्ठ सेवक माना जाता
Is the highest
है।
servant.
मैंने कहा था
Yesterday I said, how Giriraj Govardhan,
की स्तुति किसने की?
who did this stuti, this praise of Giriraj? Srimati Radhika herself, with her lotus mouth, she
स्तुति आनी।
glorified
और
Giriraj.
गोस्वामी वर्ग भी
Our Goswamis also,
गोस्वामी
like Srila Raghunatha Das Goswami, Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pada, Rupa Goswami Pada,
भी सनातन
even also Sanatana Goswami Pada in the Brihad Bhagavatam, in his book,
गिरिराज गोवर्धन
he, all of them,
उन्हें स्तुति आती
they did so many stutis, prayers to
है।
Giriraj.
श्रीमद् भागवत में
Especially in Srimad Bhagavatam, Srila Shukadev Goswami Pad,
दशम स्कंद
in the 10th canto, chapter 21st, shloka 18, Srimati Radhika herself, how she's praying to Giriraj Govardhan.
यहंताय उद्री अबला हरिदासो वर्जो जद राम कृष्ण चरण स्पर्श प्रमोद। श्रीमती राधिका समस्त सखियों की कहने लगी,
Srimati Radhika is telling all her Sakhi's
देखो,
friends, look,
विस्मित होकर के, हम तो शब्द का अर्थ होता है
Hanta means
विस्मय,
bismoy, like astonishment.
और दूसरी होता है
And also another meaning
उल्लास,
is happiness, harsha, happiness.
तीसरी अर्थ है
A third meaning of Hanta,
और देखकर इनके सौभाग्य आदि देख करके
seeing his good fortune. Seeing his good fortune, I become joyful with bliss.
सेवा वृत्ति हमारे हृदय में जागे।
That also we may develop this seva vritti like Giriraj. This is the humility of Srimati Radhika.
इसलिए राधा जी करें ये हम
So Srimati Radhika says,
अबला हरिदास हो वर्जो जो गोवर्धन पर्वत वैष्णव प्रधान है।
Govardhan is the highest amongst the Vaishnavas. Why? Because having the touch of the lotus feet of Krishna and Balaram, Giriraj becomes captured with joy, bliss. And Giriraj also provides water for drinking, very soft grass, caves, fruits, flowers and vegetables for them. And so he's giving bliss to everyone, Giriraj. So the topmost sevak in this world. So the Bhagavatam mentions names of 3 servants, means 3 servants of God mentioned in the Bhagavatam. First, Yudhishthir Maharaj. Second, Uddhav. Third is Giriraj Govardhan.
कल ये भी हम लोग वर्णन कर रहे थे जब कृष्ण गोचारण आदि करते करते
So when Krishna was grazing the cows and coming to Giriraj, sometimes Krishna used to climb on Giriraj and play the flute on the top of Giriraj, calling to the cows to gather the cows, calling his friends also, and especially in the even night time. Krishna also used to come to Giriraj Govardhan and used to play the flute. And during the daytime, he used to graze the cows with his friends and play so much and give the bliss, happiness to his friends. In the nighttime, sometimes Krishna used to climb on Giriraj and with his flute, he used to call all the gopis. So this ras which happened in the lap of Giriraj is called Vasantik Ras. But the ras which happened in the autumn season at the banks of the Jamuna, at the Vamshivat, that ras is called autumn season ras dance. So all this in the Bhagavata and Garga Samhita, in the Puranas, all this is described in details. So Srimati Radhika herself is saying, "Oh my Sakhi, oh Giriraj, certainly he is the highest servant of God, of Krishna, because having like being touched by the lotus feet of Krishna Balaram, Giriraj becomes joyful, so happy and very jubilant. And also Giriraj also gives so many things for them, worshipping them, serving them in so many ways. Those who are not attached to material things, and they give their life to service to God. What is this? Haridas. Haridas means servants of Hari. But in this world, we forgot to say Hari, and we are servants of
माया
We
दास,
became the servants of Maya, Maya Das,
माया
like
दास।
slaves of Maya.
इसलिए माया दास होने के नाते माया
So-
देवी हम लोग के बहुत रूप में कष्ट भी दे रहे हैं।
Due to us being the slaves of Maya, Maya is making us
और
suffer a
उनकी
lot.
सारी आदेश पालन
And
करके भी
Even if we follow all her instructions, she's not
माया
pleased
की
with
सेवा
us.
करो, किसके सेवा
You
करो,
might serve Maya
संतुष्ट तो हो जाए।
or to any person. You think, okay, maybe the person will be pleased after my service. But in this world, if we become the servant of Maya, slave of Maya, she'll never be pleased with you, never be satisfied.
काम क्रोध के दास हम बन गए हैं और उनकी सारे आदेश को हम पालन करते भी जा रहे हैं। काम क्रोध आदि
So we follow all her instructions in by the media, like by the means of lust, anger, greed, etc. And she's never pleased nor pacified with us. So what to do now? Hey Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, you in this Kali Yuga, you are only support. So give me, be merciful and give me a place at your lotus feet.
दूसरी प्रकार यहाँ पर करके जो लोग विषय में आसक्ति नहीं हो पा
So those who are not attached to material things, and they offer their lives in the service of God. This is Haridas, servant of Hari. This person might be Grihastha or Vanaprasthi or Brahmachari. If the person serves his life, he serves to Lord in his life, he's serving with his life, so he is a servant of God. Haridas. But not easily Bhagavan accepts a person as a servant. Like in Chaitanya Bhagavata, Vrindavan Das Thakur explains exactly this. Those who have less Sukriti, Bhagavan does not accept them as servants. This Shlok explains. So don't think, why will I become a servant? Why? The Advaitavadis, the impersonalists, they want to become God, they want to become Brahma. They don't want to be the servants, they want to be the Prabhu, the master. And everybody should be my servant. I will not become anyone's servant. But the Vaishnava conception is different from this Avaishnava conception. The Avaishnava people who are not Vaishnavas, they don't want to accept anyone's guidance. And also they don't want to be the servant of anyone, they don't want to be servant. But the Vaishnavas, they always want to become servants. Dasu Asmi, I am a servant, I am a servant. The Advaitavadis, monists and impersonalists, they say like this, Namo Narayana, like obeisances to Narayana, like you are Narayana. They call each other like this. They fold their hands and like respecting each other, saying Namo Narayana. Like I'm making obeisances to you because also you are Narayana. But this is wrong completely because Jiva is never Lord. The Jiva can never be Lord. The Jiva is the servant of Lord. So Bhagavad Gita also explains. All the Jivas, they are servants of Lord. Bhagavan Das. We all manifested from Vivinamsa Shakti, a potency of Lord, Vivinamsa Shakti. But people don't come into the Tattva Vichar, the philosophical truths, and they go to this Mayavada philosophy saying Namo Narayanaya. But the devotees, they say, Daso Asmi, I am a servant, I am a servant. I am the servant of Bhakta and Bhagavan. I want to become the servant of the devotee and also
ये तीनों की
Lord's devotee.
वैष्णव लोग स्वीकार करते हैं।
So the Vaishnavas, they accept three things: Bhakta, Bhakti, Bhagavan.
त्रिपुटी विनाश का।
But the non-Vaishnavas, they want to destroy these three things.
भक्ति
They want to destroy Bhakta, Bhakti, Bhagavan. They want to
नाश कर देते
destroy
हैं।
this.
इसलिए लोग त्रिपुंड आदि
That's why they use these three lines on their foreheads.
विनाशम।
These people, they wear this mark of the three lines on the forehead.
भक्त
This is the
और
meaning.
अभक्त, वैष्णव और अवैष्णव में अंतर है।
This is the difference between devotees and non-devotees, Vaishnavas and non-Vaishnavas.
ये दासोस्मि दासोस्मि हैं?
Daswasmi, Daswasmi, I am a servant, I am a servant.
दास कहते हैं।
Please make me serve the
देखो,
servant at your lotus feet.
नामनीय कृष्णदास नाम अल्पभाग्य दास नहीं करें भगवान।
This look explains
जो अल्पभाग्यवान
those who are Alpa Bhagavan, less fortunate, those who have less Sukriti.
देखो ब्रह्मा
God
श्री
doesn't
आदि
accept them as servants. You can see Brahma, Shiva, etc. and all these demigods and demigoddesses.
देव देवियां भगवान के दास बनने के लिए बने सेवक बनने के लिए कितना प्रार्थना आदि करते रहते
They are praying so much.
हैं। किंतु अद्वैतवादी लोग कहते हैं हम दास क्यों बने, दास करने से सेवा करना पड़ेगा।
But the Advaitavadis say, if we become dasi, like servant, I'll have to serve, I'll have to clean the temple, I'll have to broom,
बर्तन
I have to wash, cook, wash pots, everything.
सिद्ध बने तो सभी हमें पूजा करेंगे।
But if I become the Sebya, means that person who is served, everybody will worship me like this. So that's why they want to become Brahma, like God. So all my mind, my evil mind, why do you want to become Brahma? Actually, you cannot become Brahma because the Jiva, the soul, will never become Brahma. Not possible. So like this here in the Bhagavatam, especially three Haridasas are described. Yesterday we've heard those. So Yudhishthira Maharaj, second Uddhav Maharaj, and third Giriraj Govardhan. So amongst these three, all these three, they are called Haridas. Actually, all the souls, they are Haridas, servants of God, Krishna. So, in Brihad Bhagavatamrita, Narada, he explains about Yudhishthira Maharaj. प्रिय असौ जगदीशरीश देव गुरुर्बन्धुर्सु मातुल्लायो दूत सुहित सारथेरुकृतन्त्र। This verse is so beautiful.
ये श्रीमद् भागवत में
This is a verse from Brihad Bhagavatamrita that Sanatana Goswami. Sorry, Sanatana Goswami says in Brihad Bhagavatamrita, and in the Bhagavatam also there's a very similar sloka called like same sloka in the Bhagavatam. Okay, let's continue. So the meaning is, in this material world, you are so fortunate. Who is saying this? Narada Rishi saying to Yudhishthira Maharaj. When Narada Rishi, he was traveling here and there, and when Yudhishthira Maharaj came to Hastinapur. Sorry, no. Narada came to Hastinapur, okay? So then Yudhishthira Maharaj, he welcomed to Narada. And then Yudhishthira asked to Narada about Atma Dharma, about like spiritual topics. And Narada told to Yudhishthira Maharaj, hey Yudhishthira, you are so fortunate actually. I am a sadhu, and actually, although I am a sadhu, I am not so fortunate as you are, because first, I don't even have a house, because I was cursed by Daksha Prajapati, that I could never stay longer in anywhere.
आप
And
लोग
look
कैसे
how
सौभाग्यवान
you are so fortunate.
हैं। यद्यपि आप लोग गृहस्थ हैं,
Although you are grihastha,
घर में रहते हो,
you stay in your house,
पत्नी आदि के साथ
husband, wife,
रहते हो,
with
भाई,
your
माता,
wife,
पिता आदि के साथ रहते हो। किंतु
with
देखो
family. But see
आप लोग कैसे सौभाग्यवान, इसलिए
how
कह
you
रहे
are
हैं,
fortunate. How are you
जो
fortunate?
लोगे बतभूरी भागा, जो माने आप लोग,
Juyam means both, like all of you.
निर्लोके यह मनुष्य लोक में बतभूरी भागा, बत शब्द तो अहो है,
Bat means
कितने
like astonishment,
जहाँ
aho.
पर आश्चर्य अथवा
When you
उल्लास,
become so surprised, astonished, or
संस्कृत में पद
amazed.
शब्द लगा दिया गया।
In Sanskrit, they put this expression.
आश्चर्य देखो, बत भूरी भागा, भूरी माने
Bat.
श्रेष्ठ भाग।
Bat means it.
आप लोग
Buri Bhaga, like topmost fortune.
जैसं प्रिय असु जगदीश्वरेश्वर, स्वयं जगदीश्वर भगवान,
Jagadishwara Bhagavan himself, God,
विश्व ब्रह्मांड के जो
the
पालन करने वाले,
that Bhagavan
रक्षा
who
करने
keeps
वाले,
all
स्वयं
the
भगवान, इसलिए
unlimited universes.
जगदीश सरेश्वर।
He's
और वो
Jagadishwareshwar.
आप लोग के
So
प्रिय असु
he
है, आप लोग की कितना प्रिय जो है,
is so dear to you, and you are dear to him. Both meanings are there.
देवो गुरुर बंधुर मातुलयो दूत सुहित सारथी रुक्ति तंत्र। और देखो स्वयं भगवान
And look, Bhagavan himself,
आप लोग के निकट कैसे प्रीति आदि करते हैं,
how he loves you so much.
अर्थात इस
So much love and
नरलोक में
affection.
आप लोग ही सौभाग्यशाली है, क्योंकि ब्रह्मा
So in this material
रुद्र
world,
आदि ईश्वर के
you are
भी
so fortunate
जो
because
ईश्वर है,
that Lord, the controller even of Brahma and Shiva,
ईश्वर है,
he's the Ishwara of the Ishwaras, like he's the controller of all the controllers. God, Krishna, na? Devakinandan, this Krishna.
आप लोग के केवल प्रिय
He-
नहीं है,
He's not only dear to you,
अपितु इष्ट देव गुरु
he's your Ishtadev, he's your friend, your
मातृ
guru.
संबंध में संबंधित
You have some relation, like blood relation,
अर्थात कुंती के साथ,
because Kunti, you know,
पांडवों के साथ जो और कृष्ण के साथ जो
Krishna
संबंध
has the
है,
relationship
मित्र भी है,
like-
पारिवारिक एक संबंध,
like they have the blood relationship with the families, you know, because Kunti is like mother of Pandavas, like
हमारे
auntie of
परिवार के
Krishna.
साथ जो जुड़े रहते हैं,
So they're connected, families are
कुटुंब
connected.
कहा जाता है, प्रियजन है,
They're very dear to each other.
फैमिली मेंबर,
They're family members.
जिनके सुख में दुख में
His
हम
happiness,
आते हैं, ये कहते हैं, मेरा कुटुंब है,
Kutumba, this expression, means that
अपने फैमिली
is a person in your family. Like
किसी प्रकार
if
से
something good or bad happens to you, this person will come and join, like be with you in that moment. You have some relationship,
रिश्तेदार जिसको कहते हैं,
this relation.
कहते हैं इसलिए कुटुंब। और कभी दूत रूप में भी आप लोग की भी काम करते रहते हैं, दूत माने मैसेंजर,
And also sometimes you're like messenger.
सुहृद और मित्र भी है,
Suhrid, also friend.
और भी सारथी भी है,
And also Sarati, means the charioteer.
स्वयं
In the
कृष्ण
Kurukshetra war, Krishna himself,
उनकी रथ चलाते हैं,
he was riding the chariot of Arjuna. And also Upadeshak means giving instruction.
उपदेष्टा माने उपदेश देने वाले। अतः
And
श्रीमद् भागवत में
और-
जो हरिदास की पदवी मिली है, यह सर्वथा उपयुक्त है।
this title that Srimad Bhagavatam gives as Haridas
दूसरी हरिदास के नाम
is appropriate for Yudhishthira Maharaj.
श्री कृष्ण के कैसे प्रिय है, इस श्रीमद् भागवत में
And
भी कहा गया है।
Then later some explanation about Uddhava, who is even higher than Yudhishthira.
शिष्यो बृहस्पति साक्षात् उद्धवो बुद्धिसत्तमम् वृषणां प्रवरो मंत्री कृष्ण सदैत सखा शिष्यो बृहस्पति साक्षात् उद्धव बुद्धि सत्तमम्। अर्थात स्वयं सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद
So Shukadeva Goswami Pada, he's telling to Parikshit Maharaj in the Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th canto, 40th chapter, first slok. Hey Parikshit, Uddhava was a very prominent person in the Uddhava dynasty. He is directly the disciple of Brihaspati. He's so intelligent. What can I tell about his glories? He's the dear friend of Krishna and also his minister, like his counselor, like giving advice, advisor. In the 11th chapter of Bhagavatam, so Krishna himself told, sorry I couldn't get the chapter number, but the shloka is 15, I think. Bhagavan himself, he also told to Uddhav, Uddhav, you are so dear to me. Actually, you are so dear to me that even my own son, Brahma, Shankar, Shiv, and even my brother Balaram, not even my wife Lakshmi Devi, she's even my own soul, they are not so dear to me as you are. So beautiful how Bhagavan himself is glorifying Uddhav. So Balaram, Shankara, Brahma, Lakshmi, not even my own soul is not so dear to me as like you are dear. So you're dear to me than my own soul. So this title that Uddhava got from Haridas, from the Bhagavatam, of being a Haridas, this is very proper, like it's so proper. And yes, that's true. And so much, like many meanings, like the commentary is very big. But here's the explanation of Gurudev. Sorry, I just tried to find this book.
इतने श्रेष्ठ है, श्री कृष्ण ने इस गोपियों की प्रेम की शिक्षा देने के लिए ब्रज में उसको भेजा।
So in the Brihad Bhagavatamrita, Sanatana Goswami Pad explains about 5 kinds of devotees according to their eagerness, and also put them in the different kinds of categories. So one is Gyani Bhakta, Prahlada Maharaj, for example. Another one is Ashuddha Bhakta, Ambarish Maharaj. And third, Premik Bhakta, Hanuman. Prem Para Bhakta, Pandavas. And Prematur Bhakta, Uddhav. And all the Brajavasis, they are the crowns and jewels of all the devotees. And the crowns and jewels of all devotees is Srimati Radhika. Bhakta Mukut Shiromani. I'm not finding this book here. Chaitanya Charitamrita in Hindi, Gurudev's reading. That one published recently. So Sanatana Goswami says how they are serving to Lord. So the Prematur Bhakta Uddhava is the highest. And Krishna sent him to Braj to learn from the gopis.
उद्धव की कहा गच्छुद्धं ब्रजे सोमं
That's why Swami Bhagavan told to Uddhav,
मत व्योनां वो गोपीनां मत संदेश कोई विमूर्छ हे उद्धव तुम ब्रज में जाओ
Hey Uddhav, go to
मेरा
Braj
माता पिता बंधु बांधव के जो मेरे संदेश दो
and give this news to my family.
और विशेष करके गोपियों के लिए एक विशेष संदेश भी संदेश माने समाचार
And also give this special my message to the gopis.
ये ब्रजदेव
Krishna knew
देवियों के प्रेम को जो है उच्च कोटि की जो प्रेम
that this highest prema of Srimati Radhika, Uddhava would not be able to pacify the gopis because they have the highest love. So Srila Jiva Goswami Pad in Sandarbha, he explained about 3 kinds of prema in Vrindavan.
ब्रज में जो गाय आदि जो है इसके प्रेम को क्या कहा जाता है
Like the love of the cows. What is the name of their love in Vrindavan? I just forgot.
सुखाओं विवेक शून्य प्रेम कहा गया
Vivek Shuno Prem.
याद रखना पड़ता है
Have to remember a bit.
सखा आदि के जो प्रेम उसके कहा जाता है
And the prem of the Sakhas, the friends of Krishna, it's called Vishramba Prem.
जो प्रेम
And the prema of gopis that they have towards Krishna is called
उत्कंठामयी प्रेम
Utkanthamai Prem.
इसलिए शिला जीव गोस्वामी पाद
So Srila Jiva Goswami Pad,
प्रेमवती गोपियों की विशेष वैशिष्ट्य दिखाया गया
he shows the speciality of the prema of the gopis. What is the speciality of their prema?
समाचार के द्वारा
Actually, their prema will not be
की जो ज्वाला
this fire, this heat they are feeling from the separation in their prema will not be able to be pacified by some message of Uddhav or something. Actually, they would only be able to be pacified if they saw, like if they were able to see Krishna personally.
हमारे आचार्य पाद
So our acharyas, they described all this, they've explained
पशु पक्षी आदि के प्रेम
the prema of the birds, the prema of the animals, the prema of the
गोपियों की प्रेम के बारे में
gopis, Srimati Radhika, Majashoda, prema of the Sakhas, the friends.
किंतु वास्तव रूप में कृष्ण उद्धव के जो ब्रज में भेजने की यही एक कारण था
But the actual reason why Krishna sent Uddhav to Braj
भगवान का अत्यंत प्रिय था भगवान
was that Uddhava was living in Mathura with Krishna and he was so dear to Krishna, wasn't it? Like Bhagavan said in the slok, that Uddhava was so dear to him more than his own Atma. But the speciality of this Gopi Prem, actually Uddhava didn't know about this love of the gopis.
ये ब्रज की प्रेम की
What is this glory of this prem of Vrindavan?
अंत में कृष्ण
In the end, Krishna,
उद्धव ब्रज में
he
पधारे
came to Vrindavan
प्रेम को दर्शन दिए
and he saw the prem of the
और देखकर तो
Vrajavasis
चमत्कृत हो गया
and became completely astonished.
और इसलिए 6 श्लोकों
And
के
then he
द्वारा
recited 6 slokas
राधा आदि गोपियों की
where he,
शरणधूलि
in the slokas,
प्राप्ति
he
करने के लिए
was
कितने
praying
स्तुति आदि
to get this this dust of the lotus feet of the gopis.
इस प्रकार 6 श्लोकों के
So
द्वारा
through 6 slokas, with 6 slokas,
स्तुति आदि
Uddhava is praising the gopis. In the Bhagavatam, this is all described.
यहाँ तक भी उद्धव
Also, Uddhav,
उद्धव जी इसमें श्रेष्ठ है श्री कृष्ण ने उन्हें गोपियों की प्रेम की शिक्षा लेने के लिए ब्रज
So
में भेजा
Krishna sent Uddhava to Vraj to learn about the gopis, prem.
उद्धव जी
And then having the darshan of the Madanaka Mahabhava of Srimati Radhika, Uddhava became astonished. And he had a desire to get this dust of the lotus feet of the gopis. And then he prayed to be born in Vrindavan just as like a herb, as like a bush, you know, that like a plant, you know, like a creeper. Grass, no, grass, he prays like a grass. So it's very proper for Uddhava to be called Haridas. So near to Kusum Sarovar, even Uddhava was born as like a blade of grass there. Gurudev used to say that all the blades of grass you see in the Uddhava Kunda, actually they are lives and lives that Uddhava came and did austerities. each life of Uddhava. So how many billions of years, how many lives Uddhava did austerities, but still he
ब्रजदेवियों की जो है वो भाव
couldn't get this bhav of the Braja Devis.
भविष्य पुराण में
In the Bhavishya Puran,
रसिक और गोवर्धन कृष्ण की स्वरूप शक्ति श्रीमती राधा जी की हृदय से प्रकट हुए हैं, ऐसे भी लिखा
it says that how Giriraj came from the hearts of Srimati Radhika.
भविष्य पुराण में ऐसे भी लिखा गया
In Bhavishya Purana is explained how Giriraj Govardhan, he
राधा जी की मन व हृदय से ही प्रकट हुए।
manifests from the mind or from the hearts of Srimati Radhika.
गोवर्धन तन मन धन प्राण आदि सर्वस्व न्यौछावर करके श्री कृष्ण और उनकी सहगामिनी के सब प्रकार की मनोभिष्ट सेवा करते हैं।
Giriraj serves Krishna in every way, sacrificing everything for Giriraj. That's why Gopis call Giriraj Haridasa Varja, the best of servants of Sri Hari.
श्रेष्ठ तो इसलिए बताया जिस दास की सेवा से श्री हरि आनंदित होते हैं, और जो दास श्री हरि की सेवा कर परम आनंदित होते हैं,
Means that service.
दास ही हरिदास के दासों में सर्वश्रेष्ठ है।
So he's the highest Haridas because also Krishna becomes so pleased with his service.
परिश्रम व क्लेश अनुभव करते हैं,
So when serving, maybe you feel some distress or some problem.
भगवान अनिच्छा पूर्वक ग्रहण करते हैं, उस दास को श्रेष्ठ नहीं कहा जाता है।
But if, for example, if you serve but
दास उसी प्रकार है।
okay, sorry, he'll explain. So das is the meaning that
सेवक में कभी
the servant
आलस्य नहीं,
never feels tired
सेवा में हमें कोई
or
विरति नहीं है, विरति माने
laziness or
अब छेद नहीं है, माने विराम नहीं।
some obstacle. Like means you never stop. That's why Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada said, Sevak Viram Nai. Means you never
सेवक एक
take
विश्राम
rest.
नहीं है।
Vishram, like
तो सेवा
day and night you serve continuously. There's no obstruction, like no stop. Like you don't stop. You just continuously the service. So that's why Hanuman also said, Aham King
सदा
Karami.
सर्वदा
Like he was always
क्या रखते हैं,
hankering for service more and
सेवा
more.
करते रहे। इसलिए कहा जाता है सेवक विश्राम नहीं।
So it is said, Sevakir Vishram Nai.
इस दास को श्रेष्ठ नहीं,
Vishram Nai. Like the Sevaka doesn't take rest.
इसलिए जो दास
So
श्री हरि को सेवा में कुछ
if
परिश्रम व
that
क्लेश
servant
अनुभव
feels some suffering or some,
जिस दास की सेवा में भगवान
when serving,
इच्छापूर्वक
and also
ग्रहण करते हैं,
if God, like without wanting, he has to accept your service, but he really doesn't want, that service you're doing is actually not elevated, like not high service, not
शरीर में धन जन पशु परिवार जितने
the jivas in this world. They are so attached to material things,
उनके प्रति चित्त का
like wealth,
लगना ही
family,
मायादास
etc.
है। संसार में
So they're like Mayadas, they are servants of Maya, and they are
कुछ न कुछ रूप में यह अवश्य ही रहेगा।
attached to Maya, and it's natural that
कृष्ण जीव माया के दास, माया के द्वारा वशीभूत होने के नाम
because of being controlled by Maya,
इस संसार में पति पुत्र भाई बंधु स्त्री
you are in this
पुत्र,
world
परिवार
with
की
your
तरह हम
family, husband, wife, and all this.
विरक्ति
son.
होना बहुत कठिन होता है।
It's so difficult to be detached.
आप समझे? इतने
Do you understand? It's not so easy.
पिशाची पाइले जन मति छन्न होय, मायाग्रस्त जीवेर सेवा उदय। जैसे किसी के ऊपर
The example given is just like if you're possessed by some ghost or some witch. You not identify yourself by being you. No, the ghost will speak in your, like on your behalf, like not on your behalf, but this ghost will speak in your place. You know. So is the plate ready or is it for the arati?
मायादासत्व संसार में बद्ध होने तक कुछ न कुछ
So by being bound in this world, in Maya, something always is left. Means it's very difficult to give up all the attachments. You know, even always still some attachment is there. But if you get this mercy from the Guru,
गुरु कृष्ण प्रसादे पाए भक्ति लता बीज माली हुइया से बीज करे आरोपण श्रवण कीर्तन जले करह सेवन हरिदास बनने के लिए पहला चरण है क्या? गुरुदास बनना।
So the first stage to become Haridas is you have to become Gurudas first.
है वैष्णव दास, गुरुदास है। मने रे अभिलाष है जनो वैष्णव दास, मने रे अभिलाष है जनो गुरुदास। हमारे गुरु गोविंद गोस्वामी महाराज को बहुत कीर्तन करते हैं।
Srila Guru Govinda Maharaj used to sing a lot this kirtan. Means our first desire should be to become the servant of the Vaishnavas, and by their mercy you'll be able to become Gurudas.
गुरुदास तो एक है, किंतु
So-
भक्ति की भावना के विषय में तारतम्य में उसके विविध नाम दिए गए हैं।
So
प्रथम
being
शिष्यब्रुव,
si-
इसके
with the,
बाद तामसिक गुरुदास,
so there's Shishya Bruha,
इसके बाद
Tamasik
राजसिक
Gurudas,
गुरुदास,
Rajasic Gurudas,
है। इसके पश्चात
and also after that
सात्विक गुरुदास,
Satik Gurudas, servant of Guru in the mode of goodness, passion, ignorance, Nirgun, beyond all the gunas, and this beyond of all the gunas, Nirguna. Also there is the Kanishta Madhyam Uttam.
निर्गुण दास
So
सबसे उत्तम है।
Nirgun Das is the highest servant,
सर होने के
the
कृष्णदास होगा।
stage of being the servant of Guru.
गुरुदास के विभिन्न लक्षण को गुणों का
And this perfect Krishna Das will be also the perfect this Guru Das.
विभिन्न
Shastra
लक्षणों
explains.
को गुरु का उदाहरण सहित संक्षेप में
In many kinds of, the Shastra explains these with many examples. So this is some lecture that Gurudev gave long, here in this temple of Mathura. This shloka, Hantaya Madhai Abala Haridasa Varja, Gurudev used to read this verse. And he gave this class, which is now, and our Prabhuji, in his edition of Chaitanya Charitamrita in Hindi, he quoted in a very beautiful way all these Harikathas of Gurudev. Like, who is Guru Das?
गुरु गुरु करने से तो नहीं होता है।
Just-
जरा भैया,
Please light the
वास्तव कौन किस भाव
The-
से लेकर के आए
Giwis.
गुरु के सेवा?
So it depends on which bhav you came to serve the Guru.
पॉकेट खाली करके चले जाते
Or maybe you just want to take the money of Gurudev and then go. So many people say, Gurudev, everything is yours, but your lotus feet are mine, isn't it?
समझ में आया बंगला?
Do you understand my Bengali? What have I said?
सब कुछ आपका ही
Gurudev,
है।
everything is yours,
आपके
but
जो चरण कमल
your
है,
lotus feet
वो
are
है।
mine.
है। आप समझे?
Do you understand?
इस कथा को मैं
Sometimes I
समझ
tell this katha.
हमको बताएंगे।
In the evening time, I'll tell. This is the, like a duplicity and
Yeah.
hypocrisy, actually.
गुरु के साथ कभी
So you should never ever be like a hypocrite or duplicitous or like
ज्ञान कर्म
cheating like this with Guru.
अनुकूलेन कृष्णानुशीलनम भक्ति उत्तमा भक्ति की पालन करने की हम
So
प्रयास करें।
we have to try to follow Uttama Bhakti
छल कपट रहित होकर
without duplicity and hypocrisy. And
जड़िय आकांक्षा इच्छा को
also you have to give up all the material desires.
ज्ञान कर्म देना प्रीतम अनुकूलेन कृष्णानुशीलनम जो अनुकूलमय जो कृष्ण अनुशीलन
So,
यहाँ पर अनुकूलमय सब गुरु में लगा दो।
Anukul, you like this shlok for Shuddha Bhakti also can apply to Guru.
अनुकूलमय सेवा
In this sense, like for example, how to serve to do service favorable to Guru. Anukul
यहाँ पर उदाहरण
Guru Seva.
पहले
So here the example
गुरुदास
is
कहा दे जाए छल कपट युक्त गुरु
okay,
जिसका कहा-
Guru Das is like maybe some example is some servant who has duplicity and hypocrisy. So who is the example? Ekalavya.
इसके चरित्र हम गुरुदेव भी वर्णन किया।
Gurudev also used to speak about his
बलवृंदावन
about him. Very beautiful class.
जय जय